Number 1. The 1962 Ford Falcon sedan, priced at $8,900. It is an entry-level classic cruiser ready to drive comfortably. The car is equipped with a 200 CID 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The car has undergone several important updates, such as a repaint in royal blue from its original Corinthian white color. The interior retains the original black and gray upholstery with minor flaws, but new carpets, door panels, and a repainted dashboard have been added. The engine has been tuned up and the carburetor rebuilt. The car also features new exhaust, front shocks, fuel tank, as well as new wheel bearings, wheel cylinders, and brake lines. Rubber seals on the doors and trunk have also been replaced, along with the water pump, alternator, belts, and hoses. New door and dashboard knobs were installed, and the floor was replaced during the repaint. All gauges and lights work well, and although it still uses manual steering and brakes, its condition is very good. The tires may be old but still appear in good condition. Owned by the same owner for 7 years, it can be enjoyed as is or turned into a V8 swap project for those seeking more performance. Number 2. The 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS 2-door hardtop, priced at $4,500. This restored car is a very special classic, with a code indicating its authenticity as a true SS. It is powered by a 396 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor producing 325 horsepower, paired with a turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission. A 3.73 Posey rear-end ratio was recently added, providing more aggressive performance. Equipped with power steering, new power front disc brakes, and rear drum brakes, this car offers smooth and responsive driving. Dual exhausts with headers add a sporty touch, while the new interior includes carpet, door panels, dashboard, and front and rear seats. The car also features a console with a floor-mounted automatic shifter, rally wheels with new white-lettered tires, and SS stripes painted on the hood and trunk. Additionally, the gas tank installed in the trunk and the new trunk floor enhance the car's condition, along with a clean undercarriage without patches. Number 3. The 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, priced at $7,200. A complete car with engine, transmission, and drivetrain, all in excellent condition, while the body remains in good shape without rust. Over the summer, the seller has made 3 separate deals to sell this car through this forum, but all 3 buyers failed to complete the transaction. Currently, the car is still roadworthy, registered and insured, and drives and handles well. However, for a new owner, there will be some work needed for safety. This is not a show car, but a perfect daily driver for someone wanting to cruise around town in an impressive convertible with the wind in their hair. Number 4. The 1972 Oldsmobile Delta 88, priced at $5,900. The car remains in good condition with 19,000 miles. Powered by the Olds 455 Super Rocket engine, also in excellent condition, it runs smoothly. According to a 2023 PG evaluation, the car still holds the value listed in the ad. Several critical components have been replaced, including the radiator, water pump, distributor cap, wires, fuel tank, and battery in 2023, as well as the rear brakes, brake booster, and a complete tune-up in 2024. All 4 power windows work well, as does the cruise control. Although the paint is not perfect and some repairs are still needed, overall the car is solid and has a very appealing look. Number 5. The 1960 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $6,600 with a 351 Cleveland engine. Overall, it is in decent condition and still highway drivable. Some components have been replaced, indicating that previous owners have done some repairs or modifications. Considering its age of nearly 65 years, the car requires minor upkeep like any other classic vehicle. Additionally, it comes with patch panels and some extra interior parts, suggesting that the new owner can continue restoration or repairs if needed. It offers a great opportunity for car enthusiasts as it is still functional and in solid condition. Number 6. The 1972 Ford LTD, priced at $8,500. This is a very rare classic car in extraordinary condition, even considered a true survivor. The car is completely original and in nearly perfect condition. With only one previous elderly owner, this car has been meticulously maintained and always stored in a garage. The 429 cubic inch CI V8 engine still runs perfectly. The car also has its original flooring, which looks like new, never needing repairs or repainting. The electric roof is still in excellent condition as well. Its red interior is very well preserved and retains its authenticity. This vehicle is ideal for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts, especially with the careful maintenance carried out over the years. Number 7. The 1966 Chevrolet Caprice, priced at $9,500. Act fast because the owner intends to keep it since it's too good to give away. Besides the price reduction, there's also an option to buy the car without the drivetrain, meaning no engine, transmission, and exhaust system, for a cheaper price, a firm offer. This vehicle has bucket seats, a console, a 454 engine with Toyota 400 transmission, and a 12-bolt rear end, fully rebuilt in 2021. The car has been thoroughly restored, top to bottom, front to back, though a few small details remain unfinished. The owner has enjoyed taking this car to shows and driving it, but now it's time to move on to another project. Number 8. The 1968 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $7,200. Its condition shows great potential for restoration, although some aspects need attention. The installed engine is a Chrysler 440 with 5,000 mm capacity, fitted with a Holley 750 carburetor, an aluminum Edelbrock intake, and a camshaft with a rough idle. The transmission is a 727 model, and the differential is 3.23, with a dual Flowmaster exhaust system. The car's exterior is in decent shape with its green paint still intact, but the interior, particularly the rear seat and headliner, needs repair or replacement. Nevertheless, the seller emphasizes that the engine and transmission are in excellent condition, making this car appealing to automotive enthusiasts with time to continue restoration. Number 9. The 1962 Oldsmobile Delta, priced at $10,000. This is a very rare antique model, with only 300 units produced. The car has 43,000 miles on the odometer, claimed to be original. The interior is fully original, reflecting the authenticity and care over the years. The exterior received a repaint about 30 years ago, indicating that the paint is not original, but still maintains its classic aesthetic. The car is equipped with a 394 Rocket 2-barrel engine, a powerful engine in its time. This is a hard-top model with conventional white wall tires, very well maintained in terms of the engine, exterior, and interior, reflecting its historical value and rarity. Number 10. The 1974 Javelin, priced at $6,200. This car is not perfect, but is in very good condition. It is registered, insured, and plated, and still driven on the road. The engine starts, runs, and operates very well. All glass is in good shape, the tire quality is still 90%, and the interior and headliner are in good form. This 8-cylinder car is not the 401 model, but the color combination still makes it a very attractive vehicle. Sold at a low, firm price. Number 11. The 1970 Cadillac Eldorado Fleetwood, priced at $8,500 with the odometer showing 83,000 original miles. The car features beautiful pearl white paint with rainbow glitter accents, giving it a classic and elegant look. The interior has well-preserved leather seats, along with advanced features for its time, such as automatic headlights, auto sentinel, power windows, and central locking. The car was repainted in its original color about 6 years ago and remains in prime condition. With all the features and care taken, this vehicle will surely satisfy collectors and has also passed the EDR inspection. Number 12. The 1979 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $8,500, is sold as is. The car currently uses stock honeycomb wheels. Several new components have been installed, such as all new fuel lines, fuel pump, and starter. Although it needs some work to pass legal roadworthiness inspection, the frame is claimed to be very solid. The car was repainted 2 years ago and is equipped with a 6.6L 403 Oldsmobile engine. This Firebird combines a classic look with some upgrades, but may need additional care to be used optimally. Number 13. The 1973 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $7,500, has been owned by the current owner for 23 years, with only one previous owner. In 2010, a new 350 Vortec engine was installed, and the car has only been driven a few times a year, resulting in minimal mileage. The engine runs smoothly and provides a comfortable driving experience. However, the body, paint, and interior need restoration. Newer baby moon wheels have been installed, but the original wheels are still available along with some additional spare parts. There is significant rust on the rear body near the wheels, indicating that a thorough restoration will be needed to return this car to optimal condition. The interior also shows wear, especially on the seats and door panels. Despite these issues, the car remains an appealing classic due to its history and potential if properly restored. Number 14. The 1964 Plymouth Barracuda, priced at $9,000, is a two-door coupe with 128,000 miles on the odometer. Designed as a competitor to the Ford Mustang, it is one of the 25,000 Valiants produced that year before the name transitioned to Plymouth in later years. The car was restored starting in 2013, using new old stock parts from the factory, with a full steel body restoration completed in 2020. Since no original or aftermarket body panels were available, the panels were custom-made. The steering, suspension, and mechanical systems have all been replaced, with the 904A TorqueFlite automatic transmission being reconditioned in 2020. Although the interior is mostly original, the carpet has been replaced. The car features a 273 cubic inch V8 Commander engine, and the original matching number engine is still available but requires rebuilding. Number 15. The 1965 AMC Rambler Ambassador 990, priced at $4,800, is an easy project for classic car enthusiasts. It is powered by the original 287 V8 engine, which is in good condition and provides a very comfortable ride. The body and frame are rust-free and structurally sound. All parts are still original, including the well-maintained chrome. The paint remains in fairly good condition despite signs of aging. The interior is somewhat worn but can be refreshed with new seat covers. The car was purchased about 7 to 8 years ago and was driven for several summers but has not been further restored. It may require new tires depending on inspection. The car is ready to drive and enjoy the pleasure of classic cruising. Thank you for this special visit. The car I was given is very affordable and of high quality. Please contact the owner.